My smoothies were coming out grainy and chunky until I bought a Vitamix. My Vitamix is the most used kitchen appliance that I have. I love making smoothies, and the Vitamix is so great at making the smoothies really smooth and not chunky, and that's one of the features that I really love about it. I set it here on smoothies, I hit the button, and then it'll go at a lower speed, and then eventually it ramps up to like a medium speed and then a high speed, and then it starts mixing up your smoothie. But when you put frozen fruit in there, sometimes it can get kind of packed, so you can use this plunger and push all the frozen fruit down, which is really nice. It also has a setting for frozen desserts, which I have not used for, but the Vitamix does come with a recipe book. I have used it for hot soups though. However, I didn't use it to make soup. I made it to use a vegan cheese sauce, and it's really nice because it gets to a really high speed and it will actually make the liquids inside of there hot so that you can just go pour it out and it's ready to go. In addition, you can turn it to any of these settings here, which are lower speed, and then goes up to higher speeds, or you can pulse it, put it on one of the settings, and then pulse it as well. It's a really great high-speed blender that works extremely well. I've had this one for probably 4 years, 4.5 years, maybe even longer, and I haven't had any issues with it. It's worked tremendous, and I would 100% buy one again and really highly recommend Vitamix for your next high-speed blender.